Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy process on how to find your account number using the GECU app. Let's get started. Step 1. Logging in. First, open the GECU app on your smartphone. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your user ID and password. This information is usually provided to you when you first opened your account. After entering your credentials, tap the login button to access your account. Now, step 2. Selecting the account. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard with a list of your accounts. Now go ahead and select the account for which you want to find the account number. Simply tap on the account name like your checking account to open it. In step 3, accessing account history. On the account page, you will find a summary of your recent transactions. To get more details, tap on account history or a similar option that lets you dive deeper into your account details. Step 4 is locating your account number. Now, here's the moment you have been waiting for. Look for an option or a button that says view details or account information. This is where you will find your full account number. Tap on view details and there it is, your account number. Make sure to note it down or keep it secure for future reference. Pretty simple, right? If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Last but not least, click on the bell icon and we will meet you with another video. Till then, goodbye.